Today in this video we are going to learn about basic formatting tags, bold, italic, underline, strike through, etc. So for that, between the title tag I had written basic formatting tags, so it will appear over here as a title bar of web page. Now between the body tag, let's write cyber. So here I am writing cyber, and let's save this first. Control S over here, and let's refresh this web page. Here you can see cyber has been appeared. Now I want this cyber into the bold effect. So for that, for the bold effect, B tag is used. So into the angular bracket I will write B, and this is the pair tag, so I have to close it. So at the end I will write /B. Now let's save it. Control S over here, and let's refresh this web page. Here you can see cyber has been appear into the bold effect. Now for the italic effect, let's write cyber again. Here I am writing cyber, and for the italic effect I tag is used. So for that, into the angular bracket let's write I, and it is the pair tag, so I have to close it. So here I am writing /I over here. Okay, /I. Now let's save it. Control S over here, and let's refresh this. Here you can see cyber has been appear into the italic effect. Now let's learn about underline effect. So for that, here I am pressing enter, and now let's write cyber again. And for the underline effect, U tag is used. So into the angular bracket let's write U. So here I am writing U, and it is the pair tag, so I have to close it. So let's write /U. Let's save it. Control S over here, and let's refresh it. Here you can see underline effect has been appeared. So this is the bold, this is italic, and this is underline effect. Now let's write strike through effect. So for that I am writing cyber again, and for the strike through effect tag S is used. So into the angular bracket I am writing S, and it is the pair tag, so I am closing the S, /S over here, and let's save it. Control S over here, and let's refresh this web page again. Here you can see cyber has been appear into the strike through effect. Now here you can see I had written all the cybers into the separate line, but in the web page it will appear into the same line. So to break the row, BR tag is used. So for that, into the angular bracket we will write BR. Here I want the cyber with the italic effect into the next line. So I will write BR before the I tag, because I want to break row after the bold effect cyber. That is, your current cursor position is over here after bold, here over here. Now I want to break line from here. So if I write BR over here, it will come into the next line. So after this, that is from italic effect cyber, it will come into the next line. So let's refresh it, and here you can see the bold effect cyber is into the another line, and the italic, underline, and strike through effect cyber into the same line, because my current cursor position is over here, and if I write BR, it will come into the next line. So let's write BR again, and let's see what happens. So into the angular bracket let's write BR. Now here my current cursor position is over here into this line. Here I had written BR twice before the I tag. That is, after bold effect cyber I had written BR first time, so it will move into the next line. So over here in this line. Now again I had written BR, so it will move into the again next line, so it will come into the next line. So let's refresh this web page and see. Here you can see my cursor has moved into the next line. The one more line has been left. Now let's write BR again. So here after I tag I am writing BR. Basically, if you write BR twice, the cursor will move twice. If you write BR thrice, cursor will move thrice. That means how many times you will write BR, the cursor will break the row that much of time. Here at last I don't have to write BR tag, because there is no other lines after this strike through effect, so I don't have to write BR tag over here. So let's save it and refresh. Okay, I did not save it. Let's Ctrl S over here, and here let's refresh it. Here you can see the every effect has been appear into the separate line. The cursor has been moved twice because I had written BR tag twice. So these are the basic formatting tags of HTML, that is bold, italic, underline and strike through. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that bell icon to get the notification that I had uploaded the video. Happy learning. Bye bye.